Today, on World Disability Day, we pause to reflect on the power of inclusion. Over 1 billion people around the world live with disabilities, yet many still face barriers in their daily lives, especially in public spaces. Accessible steps, like ramps, elevators, tactile pavements, and widened doorways, are more than just infrastructure. They're lifelines. They mean independence, dignity, and the ability to participate fully in society. Picture a parent with a stroller, someone recovering from an injury, or a senior citizen, all benefiting from these changes. Accessibility is universal, and what helps one group often benefits everyone. But this isn't just about convenience, it's about rights. Everyone deserves to move freely, feel safe, and be part of their community. By supporting accessible design, advocating for change, and celebrating progress, we can build a world where no one is left behind. Today, let's commit to creating spaces that welcome everyone, because inclusivity is not a privilege, it's a responsibility. World Disability Day is not just a reminder, it's a call to action. Let's take a step forward together.